Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be slaying a lace frontal wig from Love Me Hair. Today's wig is going to be an 18-inch chestnut brown body wave wig. Also included with our wig we have mink lashes, a wig cap, we have a comb, bobby pins, a wig band, wax stick, a pretty Love Me clip, and tweezers. Also included are care instructions to make sure your wig stays on point. This wig is very soft and it doesn't have a smell at all. This wig comes with 2 clips on the side, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps. Before applying the wig, make sure you adjust the straps in the back to fit your head size. If the wig fits just like you want it, it's time to apply the glue. The glue that we will be using today is Bold Hold Active. When you're applying the glue, make sure you use thin layers. I usually try to do 3 coats. It's important to make sure that the glue turns clear before applying another coat. Once you did the 3 layers, it's time to apply the lace. Once you have the lace adjusted just like you like it, start mashing the lace in with your fingers. Now it's time to cut the lace. Right here you see me cutting the lace in section, and this just gives me more control over the lace. And guys, when cutting the lace, always remember to cut in a zigzag motion. Never cut in a straight line. This helps your hairline to look more natural. Now once you have all the lace cut, you're going to pull on the lace, and if you see any areas coming up, take the end of a rat tail cone and put glue at the end and place it under the lace. Make sure the glue turns clear before laying the lace down or it will not stick. Guys, I am really loving this wig in this color. I am so undecided whether to do a middle part or whether to do a side part. I just don't know. It's so pretty. Okay, let me think on that for a second. Let's go on to the baby hairs. Okay, guys, so you know I don't like all the dramatic baby hairs. So on me, I'm just going to do something natural. What I use for my edges is the Got to Be Freeze Spray. Okay, so once we got the edges like we like it, I'll use a strip paper and tie it around and let those edges melt in. While we're letting those edges melt, I'm going to use my wand curler to style my hair. Yes, I am feeling these curls. I can't wait till the final look. Now to lay down my part area, I'm going to use my electric straightening comb and just comb through. Now I still see flyaways, so I'm going to use my wax stick. This wax stick is located inside the box. Now it's time to cut the strip paper. Yes, guys, I am loving it, loving it, loving it.